And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. It is August 18th and it is hot here in Northern California. And other parts of Northern California, it's on fire. Well, that relates to the weather too. Anyway, for the longest time I've been having trouble getting sunglasses dark enough. My wife just brought me these. The mailman brought them to the house and she brought them to me. Cobalt blue. Yeah, you saw the little triangle of purple over here. Cobalt blue. Foundry, forging shops, platinum welding. And if your eyes are really sensitive to bright light, this gave the whole world 5 minutes ago a beautiful rosy tint. Because cobalt blue sucks all the blue out before it gets to your eyes. I can finally go out without my eyes wanting to slam shut and get all snaky eye. You know, like little big man, all snaky eye. Anyway, thought I'd show you them. Good night, California.